Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we have an incredible video in store for you guys. We are doing 3 low-fat raw vegan recipes. These are all fast, easy, delicious, use very few ingredients, and I think these will be very popular. For the first time ever, I'm doing a video like this because I know a lot of people really thrive on a low-fat raw vegan diet or a low-fat plant-based diet specifically. Some people do notice if they're having too many fats in their diet, they get more tired, and a lot of studies show these days that too many fats can lead to insulin problems. The first recipe is a delicious cherry chocolate smoothie. This is very easy to make and absolutely incredible, so let's hop right into it. So in this, we're going to use 1 ripe banana. When you have some brown spots on it, that's how you know it's ripe. So we'll put that in our blender, and tell me down below how you guys like to eat. I switch it up. Lately I've been eating a little bit higher fat but lower sugar, and I switch it up depending on the time. So we're gonna do 1 banana. We're gonna do a small handful of spinach just to get some greens into here. We're gonna do the key star of this recipe, a cup of frozen cherries. Look at these. And cherries are great for so many things, great for heart health, super high in antioxidants, and actually known to be good for blood sugar. So that's a bonus. And we're gonna use either a tablespoon of cacao powder or a tablespoon of carob powder. So many people don't know carob tastes exactly like chocolate, and it will satisfy your chocolate craving exactly, except it doesn't have the stimulating effect. So for some people sensitive to cacao and chocolate, like me, my nervous system is more sensitive, then use carob. I'm making this right now for one of my guests in the house though, so I'm gonna use chocolate for them. And so we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of our cacao powder. Look at that. And you could do it just like that if you guys want. You don't even have to add anything else. Or you can add a low-fat protein powder. So I'm gonna add just about a half a scoop of Pyridine, but you can just leave it like that too, and it's just absolutely delicious. And it's just simple, right? So we'll put a little bit of protein in there. And then we will put about 3/4 of a cup of water. And we will add a little bit of ice. And then we will blend it up just like that, you guys. So fast and easy. Raw, real, whole foods are just the easiest things to make, you guys. And the more you eat them, the more you want them. So, you know, next time you're past those drive-thrus or those takeout or that processed crap, just remember you are better than that. And the more you start eating the whole real foods, the more you want them. And they introduce you to your best self and give you your best life, truly. So let's blend this up. Oh, you guys, this smoothie hits. It is so good and low fat. And so typically low fat a lot of times will leave most people feeling more energized and incredible. So look at that yummy cherry chocolate smoothie loaded with nutrients and absolutely delicious. So let's get on to number 2. Next up, we have my go-to low-fat raw vegan tomato basil sauce. This uses no oil, no nuts, and it leaves you feeling energized, full of life, not lethargic like cooked pasta can do, or lethargic like some people might feel after a higher fat meal. And it's just incredible. So let's hop right into it. For this recipe, you're gonna wanna use 2 to 3 zucchinis, and you can peel your zucchinis if you'd like. I'm not gonna peel them for this recipe, so just cut the end off so we can easily spiralize them in our spiralizer. All right, everyone, so we spiralized our zucchini noodles. Look how easy that was. And the spiralizer I have, it was like $5 or $10. I've had it for years. I got it on Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. And so yeah, this is an amazing way to do pasta noodles if you don't know already. And for this, we're gonna use, again, very easy, so don't get intimidated by these ingredients. So easy. We're gonna do 3 cups cut up Roma tomatoes. Okay, so we've got the 3 cups of Roma tomatoes. We're gonna use 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. And you guys, this raw food, it has the life force, it has the energy in it, it has the vibe, the just frequency of the universe, and it's full of water content, full of enzymes, and it just truly makes you feel amazing. So I can't recommend enough adding in more raw foods to your lifestyle. And we're gonna use half of a red bell pepper. We're gonna put in half of a cup of fresh basil. Who doesn't love basil? So good. The juice of 1 lemon. We're gonna use 1 date, 1 clove of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And then if you want it a little creamier, which I prefer and I think is ideal for the tomato sauces, you can add a 1/4 cup of celery or a 1/4 cup of zucchini. So I have peeled a little bit of zucchini here, and I'm also gonna put in a little bit of celery. I feel like having both today. So we'll put those in and we'll blend. All right, guys, so we have our sauce, and a couple tips I forgot to give you when you're making a raw pasta. If you don't already know, when you have your zucchinis, I would take them out in the morning and leave them on the counter all day, or at least for a few hours. That way, when you go to make your pasta, they're room temperature and they're not cold. Because I don't know about you guys, but I don't love cold pasta. And then with the sauce, I warm it up in the blender on high for 3 minutes, if you have a good quality blender, and it will warm it up so you have essentially a warm dish without cooking it. So it's great. And with this, you guys feel free to add different things to it. If you want to add different spices like oregano or other things, go right ahead. So I'm going to pour this sauce into our pasta noodles, so a nice marinara here. And then I'm going to use my hands are clean. I find that this is the best way to get the noodles into the pasta. So I personally just use my hands, but if you guys want, use a spoon, but I find this way better. And again, if you don't want green to show on the zucchini, you want a cleaner looking pasta, then you can of course peel the zucchini before you do this. All right, here's our low-fat tomato basil pasta. Delicious and amazing, you guys. And I just put a little piece of basil on top. Another addition that would keep it low-fat. If you want, if you eat nutritional yeast, it's high in protein, low in fat. You could top it with that, because I know a lot of people love that on their raw vegan pasta. And let's get on to the last but not least. I've saved the freshest for last. All right, guys, I call this my pineapple refresher. It is so good, low-fat again, keeping with the theme, and amazing. And you guys know what else is amazing? I don't know if you guys know, but I have a new school community called Club Raw, and we have so many amazing recipes in there, so much support to help you live a healthier lifestyle. Incredible guest speakers like Johnny Juicer, Chef Babette. I get all the best people come in, and you get all my ebooks that I've ever done with incredible recipes like this. And it's just a great place to meet up. We do dinners, Zooms once a week. It's great. So if you guys want to live a better lifestyle and just have support and connection and friendship on that, then I'll put the link down below. And for this, we're going to do 2 cups of cut up pineapple. So we're going to put that in our little beautiful blue bowl here, you guys. These ones are actually a little short of 2 cups, but cut up 2 cups of pineapple nicely, just like that. Isn't this bowl so pretty? And then you're gonna wanna portion out a 1/4 cup of fresh mint. Mint, I think, is great for digestion and just so fresh, it makes you feel really good. So portion out a 1/4 cup and then chop it up really finely. So I've chopped this up really finely, and we're gonna put this in, and then we're gonna use the juice of 1 lime. So we're gonna put the lime in, and then we'll put a dash of sea salt. And then we're gonna mix it all up. And we have a delicious, fresh, satisfying dish that is low fat and will leave you feeling amazing, you guys. All right, you guys, look how amazing these dishes are. I can't wait to go dig into this pineapple refresher and then have the pasta. I'm gonna hand the smoothie off to my house guests, and I truly hope you guys try these. They're just so fast, easy to make, and they use real ingredients. On this channel, we are all about helping you live your best life, finding your purpose, having the most energy every day through eating real food, whole food, and getting moving, surrounding yourself with the right people, prioritizing sleep, and just living your best life. So if that's what you guys want, be sure to subscribe and be sure to come over to Club Raw for all those things as well. And we love you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.